Welcome to Holistic Wellness 24/7. In today's video, we discover how to enjoy 15 different morning drinks that will truly boost your day. In today's video, we discover how to enhance your holistic wellness. So let's get started on your journey to better health and wellness. What if I told you the secret to a brilliant morning isn't that burnt toast you call coffee? You think you need a gallon of coffee to function, but I'm here to tell you there's a better way. We are talking 15 drinks, each one packed with more flavor and energy than a gourmet breakfast. We're going to hydrate, revitalize, and kickstart your metabolism. No more dragging yourself through the morning. This is about taking control, feeling fantastic, and starting your day like a perfectly cooked steak. What if the key to waking up energized and conquering your day wasn't coffee? Imagine 15 powerful drinks that could hydrate, energize, and kickstart your metabolism. Curious? Let's dive in and transform your mornings. Firstly, we're tackling matcha. This isn't some dusty tea bag you found at the back of the cupboard. Matcha is a vibrant green powder packed with antioxidants and more caffeine than your double-shot espresso. Now, the key here is quality. We want that vibrant green color like a spring lawn after a good rain. Whisk it traditionally or blend it into a smoothie. The result? Calm, focused energy that lasts for hours. Your secret weapon for a clear mind and a productive morning. Next, we've got ginseng, the ancient root that's been fueling warriors and emperors for centuries. And you think you're too good for it? Listen, this is a powerhouse. It fights fatigue, boosts your immune system, and is loaded with more antioxidants than a fruit salad. You can find it in tea bags, powder form, or even little energy shots. Just remember, a little goes a long way. We're not trying to give you the jitters, just a steady stream of energy to power through your morning. Think of it like your sous chef, always there to give you that extra boost when the pressure's on. So ditch those sugary energy drinks and embrace the ancient wisdom of ginseng. All right, enough with the earthy stuff. Let's talk about something vibrant, something exciting. Let's talk about pomegranate. This ruby red jewel isn't just beautiful, it's a nutritional powerhouse. We're talking antioxidants galore, improved blood flow, and even a boost in brain function. Now, you can juice them yourself, but who has time for that in the morning? Look for 100% pomegranate juice, no added sugar, no nonsense. You can even dilute it with some water if you find the taste too intense. This is about giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive, not just survive. So ditch those sugary orange juices and embrace the vibrant power of the pomegranate. Attention athletes and gym enthusiasts. Forget those artificially flavored sugar-laden sports drinks. We are returning to basics with coconut water. This is nature's electrolyte drink packed with potassium, magnesium, and all the good nutrients your body craves after a workout, or even just a night of tossing and turning. It is incredibly hydrating and helps replenish your electrolytes faster than you can say service. Now, I know what you are thinking. It tastes a bit bland, and you are not wrong. But that is where you get creative. Add a squeeze of lime, a pinch of sea salt, or even some muddled mint to elevate it to Michelin star status. I loved how simple and refreshing this one was. Add a squeeze of lime or a pinch of sea salt for an extra boost. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Think Detox is just for those fancy spa retreats? Think again, this cucumber mint water is so simple, anyone can make it. We're talking sliced cucumbers, fresh mint leaves, and good old H2O. Let it infuse overnight and you've got yourself a refreshing, detoxifying drink that's more effective than a professional waiter clearing a table. Cucumber acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out toxins, while mint aids digestion and freshens your breath. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, giving you a clean slate for the day ahead. And the best part, it's practically calorie-free and tastes absolutely fantastic. So ditch those sugary sodas and embrace the refreshing simplicity of cucumber and mint. Let's talk about turmeric. This golden spice is a culinary star, adding flavor and depth to countless dishes. But did you know it's also a health powerhouse? We're talking potent anti-inflammatory properties, a mood boost, and even potential cancer-fighting benefits. And the best way to enjoy it in the morning? Turmeric latte, of course. And now forget those sugary artificial mixes you find in coffee shops. We're going to make it from scratch with almond milk, fresh turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a touch of honey for sweetness. The result? A creamy, comforting drink that will warm you from the inside out and set you up for a day of greatness. Trust me, this is the golden ticket to a vibrant morning. Now, this next one might sound a bit unusual, but trust me on this. Bone broth isn't just for soups and stews. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can transform your mornings. We're talking slow-simmered goodness packed with collagen, amino acids, and minerals that are essential for gut health, joint support, and lasting energy. It's like giving your body a warm hug from the inside out. You can sip it straight from a mug, add it to smoothies, or even use it as a base for soups and sauces. The possibilities are endless. I know, it sounds a bit peculiar, but trust me, once you get past the initial surprise, you'll be captivated by the incredible health benefits and savory goodness of bone broth. Feeling stressed? Forget those sugary, caffeine-laden energy drinks that leave you feeling jittery and anxious. We're going for a more balanced approach with honey and cinnamon. Honey, nature's liquid gold, is packed with antioxidants and has soothing properties that can calm your nerves and ease you into the day. Cinnamon, on the other hand, helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes. Simply add a teaspoon of raw honey and a pinch of cinnamon to a cup of warm water or herbal tea. It's like a warm hug in a cup, soothing your mind and body. A perfect way to ease into a busy day. Trust me, this dynamic duo will have you feeling calm, collected, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. We've already talked about the incredible benefits of turmeric, but this time we're taking it up a notch. This turmeric latte is like a warm hug for your brain, boosting focus, clarity, and overall cognitive function. We're using the same base as before: almond milk, fresh turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, but this time, we're adding a secret ingredient: lion's mane mushroom powder. This powerful adaptogen is known for its brain-boosting properties, improving memory, focus, and cognitive performance. It's like giving your brain a much-needed upgrade. This drink was a revelation. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric combined with warm water gave me a noticeable energy boost and clarity. Trust me, after just one sip, you'll be performing at your best. Let's face it, mornings can be quite challenging, but what if you could transport yourself to a tropical paradise with just one sip? That's where our coconut water revival comes in. We're taking the hydrating, electrolyte-rich base of coconut water and adding a tropical twist with fresh pineapple, mango, and a squeeze of lime. It's like a mini vacation for your taste buds. Blend it all up for a smoothie, or simply combine the ingredients in a glass and enjoy. Either way, you'll be feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the day. I didn't expect to enjoy this one so much. It's not just hydrating, it feels like a mini tropical vacation every morning. So ditch those sugary fruit juices and embrace the tropical goodness of our coconut water revival. Let's be honest, most of us do not consume enough greens. But what if I told you there was a delicious and convenient way to incorporate your daily dose of vitamins and minerals? Enter the green smoothie. We're talking a powerhouse blend of leafy greens like spinach or kale, fruits like bananas or berries, and a liquid base of your choice: water, almond milk, or even coconut water. You can add superfoods like chia seeds, flax seeds, or protein powder for an extra boost. The possibilities are endless. This is the ultimate breakfast hack for those busy mornings when you are short on time but still want a nutritious and delicious meal. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Sometimes the simplest things are the most effective. Take lemon water, for instance. This humble drink is a refreshing and revitalizing way to start your day, aiding digestion, boosting your metabolism, and even improving your skin. Simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and enjoy first thing in the morning. The citric acid in lemon juice stimulates your digestive system and helps flush out toxins. You can add a slice of ginger for an extra anti-inflammatory boost, or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. The choice is yours. This is a simple yet powerful habit that can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. So avoid those sugary drinks and embrace the refreshing simplicity of lemon water. Feeling a bit queasy? Ginger tea is your new best friend. This warming and soothing drink has been used for centuries to alleviate nausea, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger root into a cup of boiling water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice and a drizzle of honey to taste. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shoguls, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antiemetic properties. It's like a warm embrace for your stomach. So next time you're feeling under the weather, skip those over-the-counter remedies and reach for a soothing cup of ginger tea. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has gained a significant following in recent years, and for good reason. This fermented elixir aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Simply mix a tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with water and honey. Drink it first thing in the morning for best results. Embrace the ancient wisdom of apple cider vinegar. Do not let their size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with fiber, omega-3, fatty acids, and protein. They are like tiny energy bombs, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for hours. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like consistency, making them a fantastic addition to smoothies, puddings, and even drinks. They are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Simply mix a tablespoon of chia seeds with a cup of your favorite milk or water. Add a dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract for flavor and let it sit in the fridge overnight. The next morning you will have a delicious and nutritious drink that will keep you going all morning long. So discard those sugary energy bars and embrace the mighty power of chia seeds. There you have it, everyone. 15 incredible morning drinks that will start your day better than ever. No more excuses for dragging through your morning routine. Thank you so much for watching. Which of these drinks are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could use a morning pick-me-up, and subscribe for more tips and recipes to boost your health and energy. Now go forth and conquer your day.